To add own music on Instagram Reels, open Instagram plus icon, then select Reels. Now you have to upload any video as a Reels. For example, I am selecting this one. Now press on edit video. Now here you can see the lot of option. Here is the one option is a voiceover. Now tap and hold.
Hello, test.
Give your voiceover as a own voice. Once done, you also able to import audio from your existing video. No single audio file you able to upload, so you have to import audio from the existing video only. Now add the caption. Press on OK. Now press on share now.
Hello, test.
Now it's your own voice.